Hey guys, today we'll do the unboxing and setup of the Audio-Technica series ATR2500x USB microphone for streaming, podcasting and recording. It comes with a USB-A to USB-C and a double USB-C port. There are two methods to mount the microphone. This is the stand clamp, where you can get a swivel arm to mount your microphone and adjust to the angle that you desire. Next is the tripod desk stand, where you place the microphone permanently on the desk. There is a headphone volume adjustment and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Here we will demonstrate the mounting of the microphone to the tripod desk stand. Plug one of the provided USB cables into the USB output at the base of the microphone. Optional to connect to a headphone to hear how you sound. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you liked the video. Please click the like and subscribe button. Peace.